All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be learning about the law of sines. So, quick little do now. We know how to solve right triangles. We use Pythagorean theorem to solve missing sides and find all the angles in a right triangle with a given angle. We also use SOHCAHTOA only for right triangles. Now, we will be solving triangles that are not right triangles. We will be solving oblique triangles, which is the examples you have, down here. All right, so we have new rules. All triangle angles are named with capital letters and sides with lowercase letters across from their respective angles, usually with A, B, and C and lowercase a, B, and C. Finish labeling the triangles before. So if this is a big B, and if we can use color coding, if this is big B, then this right here should be little b. If this right here is little a, then this right here should be capital A. And so since we already labeled everything else, this should be big C and this is little c. Okay, same idea over here. A, capital, across little a. C, this should be big C. This is B, this is little b. Okay, they're easy enough to label. Now here is the rule. Okay, let me highlight it in purple. Okay, this is what you need to memorize. Okay, if ABC is a triangle with sides lowercase abc, then A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. Okay, and then over here we have the law of sines condensed, and then the law of cosines. Okay, today we'll be using the law of sine. Tomorrow we'll use the law of cosine. All right, and then you can keep reading. The law of sine is really three laws in one. The one with A equals the one with B, the one with B equals the one with C, and the one with A equals the one with C. Okay, so in each one there are four variables, and if you know three variables, you can find the fourth. So we will use the law of sines when you know a side and the angle across from it. So the pairs, AA, BB, or CC. So we're going to solve. So let's go ahead and write down all the pieces. I need to figure out what big R is, which is already 45 degrees. I need to figure out what big S is, that is 82 degrees. I need to figure out T. Well, I can't, but I can use the other angles to figure it out. All triangles are 180 degrees. And so if I subtract the 82 and I subtract the 45, well, that will give me exactly 53 degrees. So this is 53 degrees. So now I have all my angles. Now it's my job to figure out what little r is, what little s is, and what little t is. Now I at least know little t, and actually we can label. So I'll label in red. This is 53 degrees. I know little t. Little t is 7.9, so hip hip hooray, 7.9. And in this case is inches. All right, now it's our job to figure out S and R. Well, let's figure out R, little r, okay? Well, we can use anything we know. I already know the sides for t and little t, so this is going to be little t over sine t equals little r over sine r. Well, little t is 7.9, and by the way, you can use a calculator on this because I wouldn't expect you to know any of these, like sine 53. I have no idea what that is. Okay, equals little r over sine 45. Now that one I do know, expect you to know, sine 45. But again, this is a calculator question. So I'm going to multiply both sides by sine 45. Okay, so now I know that little r equals 7.9 times sine 45 all over sine 53. So now, again, calculator, plug and chug, you end up with 6.99461. Use as many decimals as you can. So 6.99461 inches. We're done with that one. Okay, now we do the same thing for S. Use any of the ones you want, just solve for S. So let's see, let me just box this off so we have some room. So let's see. Let's use the one for T. So T over sine T equals S over sine capital S. So 7.9 over sine 53 equals S over sine 82. So, like we did before, multiply times sine 82 both sides. Don't expect you to know sine 82 off the top of your head. So this ends up being little s equals 7.9 times sine 82 all over sine 53. Plug and chug in the magic calculator and you end up with 9.7956 inches. So we go up here, 9.7956 inches. And we're done. We have figured out every angle and every side. And that's it. That's what you're going to be doing on the next page. I even give you the formula sheet, or little formulas you're going to need. All right, ladies and gentlemen, good luck. Have yourselves a great evening. I will see you all tomorrow.